Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's haul. Today is April 26th. I hope you had a wonderful week and that you're looking forward to the weekend. As always, I am, especially this weekend. My niece is coming into town for a conference, so she's going to stay with us for a few days, and I'm so looking forward to seeing her because it's been quite a while. She lives in Florida. She does live in Florida, but she's in school in Montana right now, and so I hardly ever get to see her. So this will be really nice. She's my first niece, and yeah, she's just a sweet girl, and can't wait to spend time with her. So looking forward to that. She's actually coming in later tonight, which is Thursday when I'm filming this. But yeah, I did get a few things this week. I did release a different haul video earlier in the week for just home decor, and it's for summer and mostly patriotic things. So if you didn't catch that, that'll be probably the video before this one. So yeah, this is just a few crafty things that I wanted to share with you, and I will leave links to the ones that I can. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. So the first item I want to show you is a digital paper file from Arala Miha's shop on Etsy, and I use a lot of her papers. They're beautiful, a lot of shabby chic kind of things, and digital papers are so nice because once you download them, you can print them out whenever you want. So as long as you have a color printer that prints halfway decent, then you're set. And I do that with the Arala Miha shop papers, and then Color Vive Studios on Etsy is where I've gotten my gingham papers and heart papers, and I use those all the time, and what a bargain. So anyway, this set, of course, is from Arala Miha's shop, and this is called English Garden Collage. This was on sale, and as of filming this video, it's on sale still. It was 60% off, so these three different pages all came together, and it was only $1.34. So, you would pay like that much for one piece of paper or a couple pieces of paper. So to have it, being able to print it yourself is great. Of course, you have to pay for the ink. That's, nothing to sneeze at, but I like the availability of it. You never run out. So this is what it comes with. This page is a collage of all the different colors. So it's a really pretty English rose print. And it reminds me of a Waverly pattern that I used to have in my bedroom and bathroom. But anyway, there's a pink background. Here's a blue one, a pale green, and a pale yellow. So these sizes are great for card fronts or for small embellishments. If you wanted to make a tag out of this, it would be great because you'd still be able to see the pretty details because the scale is nice and small. So this is beautiful, and that's where to find it if you're interested, but of course I'll link it too. So it comes with that one, and then it comes with bigger sizes of each of the colors. So it divides the 8x10 paper, 8x10, or is it 8.5 by 11 paper into two, and then prints blue and yellow together and the pink and the green together. And as you can see, there are so many pretty details on these pages. And if you have the software or your printer allows it, you can resize these and use your imagination. So I don't really tend to resize stuff. I just use what's available. So that was the first item, and like I said, it was only $1.34. You get it instantly and you have it forever. So I think it's a good deal. So I got that, and then I ordered a few things from Impression Obsession, which is iostamps.com. And I'm sure you know our friend Anna White. Hi Anna, if you're watching. She is a designer for Impression Obsession, and she designs dies and stamps and papers now too, which is really nice. And she just recently showcased, I think it was last week, the new release, and it was so cute. I couldn't resist. I bought one die. I have dies coming out of my ear, so I really don't need any dies. But this one, I don't have something like this. So this is designed by Anna, and it's called the Inverted Scallop Circle. And what I like about this is that these are the dies. The outer one here, it does not cut out the circle. So it just cuts into the paper and then it cuts out the inset here. So how nice will that be like on a card front? Anna showed some beautiful examples on her video showcasing these products. Like I have circles like this, but they cut out the whole circle. So I'm looking forward to using this, just, you know, cutting into the paper. It would make a really pretty shaker front too, I think. And I just, you know, since it's something unique and I don't have anything like that, was a good purchase for me. And then it also comes with this tag too, which is super cute. I love the size of it, and it's got a hole in it already, so that'll be nice to have. And of course it has the little embossed detail on the inside there, which is just the little dots, nice stitching around that edge. So yeah, I got that. This one is called, like I said, Inverted Scallop Circle, designed by Anna White. And then I had to get this paper pad that she designed. This is called Buzz or Buzz. And this is a 6x6 inch paper set, 80 pounds, double-sided, 4 of each design, and 12 unique designs. So once you see the bees on this paper, you will see exactly why I purchased it. And if you saw Anna's video, you probably bought it too. Oh, it's still taped here. So Impression Obsession has really good quality papers. I'm just going to tuck that in since it's going to rip the cover. They're a little bit glossy, which is not my favorite, but I can work with it. So this is the first print, and isn't that adorable? You've got the little bees with the buzz behind them, the little trails and hearts, and there's like a swirly pattern in the background. And this is I think it's like a grayish green color, more green for the background. And it's kind of primitive, but not really. I think you could use this with, whimsical papers or stamps and dies as well. So I thought this was so cute. And I love the yellow and the red on the green. It's just adorable. So then the back of that is just yellow, and it has the cute pattern of the bees like marching up and down in rows or columns. So I love that too. I love the mottled look of the paper too. And then look at this one. It's so cute. Now, is it different than that one? Yeah, the bees are going in the different direction, and they're not saying buzz, but they have 2 hearts or more hearts. Oh, no, I guess they all have the same amount of hearts. Okay, just not saying buzz. They're being quiet. And then the honeycomb background the honeycomb pattern in the background. It's just adorable. Love it. And then you have the bee trails on the back of that in loops. And then this page is like a soft pink background with some yellow in there too, and some dark blue flowers and the bees, of course. It's just so cute. I love bee papers. I have some other collections of bee papers, and I've got some dies, so I thought this would just fit into my collection perfectly. This side it's like the bluish gray color with tiny bee trails, and it's a nice pattern too, very soft, it reads as a solid pretty much. And then the next side is those bees marching up and down, but this one's all in color, so how cute, right? Those are the most adorable looking bees. And then the other side of that are little bees with the trails, and then just kind of like a yellow trail background, if you could see that. Couple splotches on there too, and then a red honeycomb, which is so cool, unique and different. And then the back of that has this gray and white gingham with the cute bees flying around. Love that gingham. And then here's a heart pattern, and it's got little swirlies, if you could see that in between. Love it. I think this would go really well with Diana Markham stamps too. And then there's the green swirly background, and then the yellow bees marching. Didn't we see this already? Yeah, I think we're repeating. So what did it say? 4 of each design, 12 unique designs. So yeah, isn't that cute? Those are all the designs that you can, see all at once. Very glad to get this. Thank you, Anna, for showing these on your channel. She's always so inspiring. Every time I watch Anna's videos, I want to buy and make whatever she does. It doesn't come close to what she makes, but she's inspiring for sure. So that's all I got from Impression Obsession. I did get one little thing from Michaels. I got this pencil sharpener for the small and bigger pencils. I suspect this is just like any other pencil sharpener you can get at Dollar Tree or whatever. But I needed one for my watercolor pencils. When I was doing some watercoloring for AdornIt last week, I realized I don't have a pencil sharpener. I used to, but I think in a big purge I threw it out. So I don't know. I can't find stuff. Anyway, so I bought this. It was only a couple of dollars, and I had a 20% off coupon, so I will use that for my pencils. And that is very not exciting, but it was part of the haul. All right, so I got the latest AdornIt ambassador package in, and this month, which I think this is the April release, The theme is pigs, and I love pigs. Pigs are big in my family. We all like pigs. So let me show you the different stamps, and if they're available on the AdornIt website, I will link them. So this is the recipe stamp, and it's called Pigs in a Blanket with tangy dipping sauce. Now apparently the other day was Pigs in a Blanket Day, and a few of the other AdornIt ambassadors like Marilyn G and Jill, hey you guys, they made beautiful projects with this because it was available to us as a digital file first, but I just didn't get to it, so I haven't had time to make mine yet, but I definitely will. I miss Pigs in a Blanket Day, but you know, every day is good for Pigs in a Blanket, I think. I have Pigs in a Blanket. I entertain a lot. And whenever we have a gathering, this is always on the menu. When my husband and I got married, we got married in Manhattan, and we had a really pretty wedding at a hotel, but something we insisted on for one of the cocktail hour hors d'oeuvres was Pigs in a Blanket. And those are always the first to go. Everybody loves them. Everyone, you know, who eats meat. So anyway, I will definitely take a look at this recipe. Let's see, 2 packages of crescent rolls, cocktail wieners. Now, I never used an egg wash on there. That is interesting. I'll have to try that. I don't usually do that. So, and then sauces, cranberry sauce, Dijon, brown sugar. Now this sounds really good. This is a way to like step up your Pigs in a Blanket for your weddings and such. So anyway, it comes with these cute 3 little pigs on the top. And then there's a bonus stamp down here of a fence, so you can have these pigs, you know, just kind of going over the fence if you wanted to, just mask off this part. Actually, there might be other pigs, I didn't even look at them yet, that could go over the fence, so we'll see. But yeah, that's the recipe stamp. And then this one is, let's see, this might be the add-on. I'm pretty sure it is upside down. This one, well, it's not really upside down, but the type is there. So let's look at these guys. Yeah, so here are a couple of pigs that you could put over that fence. And look how cute. They have the, bows in their hair and flowers. This one's holding a flower too, and there's a separate flower. This one says, hope you're happy as a pig in mud. These are adorable, these guys. There's a little curly tail sticking up there and mud splashing. This one says, every hour spent with friends is a happy hour. And how true is that, right? And then this one says, thinking of you. Oh, perfect for so many kinds of cards. Just, you know, thinking of you cards, or if someone's sick or grieving or something like that, that would be really nice and appropriate, I think. So there's that one. And then it looks like a couple of extra purchase ones. I'm not sure. It's either this one or this one is the add-on. I would assume this one because there are more stamps, but I don't know. But again, I'll link them below if they're there. So there's a girl pig and a boy pig, and they each have apples. Cute dress on this one. And look at all the details on the stamp. Diana always includes those shading dots, cute little dashes. It's just adorable, and these are a pleasure to color. Like I've said before, I'm not a good colorer, but I think these make me look like I'm halfway decent. And then there are some vegetable stamps too. These will be fun to have in the fall as well. There's a corn, you can color it like Indian corn. There's an apple. There's is that a beet or a turnip? Probably, well, maybe you can make it either one. So very, very cute. I am going to use these a lot, I know. And then there's this big 6x8 stamp set too, which I'm sure it's definitely a separate purchase. This one says, congratulations, I could just squeal. That's adorable. A cute apple stamp, of course, you know, for fall. Hugs and kisses, flower, another ear of corn. I wonder if those are the same, the ears of corn. They look about the same, don't they? This one looks a little bit bigger. And then this one says, bless you for your kindness. How nice for a thank you note. Another beet, and then, oh, there are the pigs all together, so you could put those right on top of the fence. How easy is that, right? So it's the same pigs as in this one, but these pigs are a little bit bigger. So, I love these. These are so cute. I can't wait to work on these. I'll probably have to wait until, I don't know, I might be able to do some this weekend. We'll see. So I think that is it for my haul today. By the way, I wanted to mention, I wrote it down. I don't think you can use it for this paper file because this is, I believe this is an older file, but on Arala Mija Shop's new files, you can use Jill Norwood's coupon code, which is Jill APR 15, and you'll get 15% off of all the new listings. So yeah, just wanted to mention that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you won't be able to use it on this, and this is 60% off anyway. But just so you know, if you're shopping and you see some of the new files that you want that aren't on sale, use Jill's code Jill APR 15 to get 15% off. So I think that is it, and thank you so much for watching. If you stayed till the end, I really appreciate you. It looks like I have over 12,000 subscribers on the channel, so thank you so much, everyone. I will be posting a 12,000 subscriber giveaway. This will be within my Friday haul next week, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll announce all the details and what the prizes will be and everything like that. So you won't have to do anything. You know, it'll just be for fun. And then I think that is it. I'm just about done putting on some final touches on some Scrap Diva design projects for April. Another video is coming it'll either be today's Thursday. It'll probably be on Saturday. I'll probably release that. So stay tuned for that as well. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I enjoyed making it, and I enjoyed chatting with you. So if you have any comments or questions or just want to say hi, please let me know down in the comment section. I'll link everything that I can, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Bye.